BMW M1000RR. The fifth spot on our list goes to the BMW M1000RR, the first M model from the German brand's motorcycle division. The M1000RR is based on the S1000RR, but with some upgrades that make it lighter, faster, and more agile. The M1000RR has a 999 kT inline-4 engine that pumps out 212 horsepower and 83 pound-feet of torque. It also has carbon fiber winglets, titanium valves, forged pistons, and an MGPS lap trigger. The M1000RR can reach a top speed of 190 miles per hour, making it a formidable contender. Ducati Panigale V4 R. The fourth place on our list belongs to the Ducati Panigale V4 R, a bike that is designed to dominate the World Superbike Championship. The Panigale V4 R is powered by a 998 kT V4 engine that generates 221 horsepower and 83 pound-feet of torque. It also has a carbon fiber fairing, an adjustable swing arm pivot, and an aerodynamic package that includes winglets and air vents. The Panigale V4 R can achieve a top speed of 193 miles per hour. Ducati Superleggera V4. The runner-up on our list is the Ducati Superleggera V4, a bike that is limited to only 500 units worldwide. The Superleggera V4 is the lightest and most powerful production Ducati ever made, weighing only 335 pounds and having 234 horsepower and 88 pound-feet of torque. It also has a carbon fiber frame, swing arm, wheels, and bodywork, as well as an Öhlins suspension, Brembo brakes, and Pirelli tires. The Superleggera V4 can hit a top speed of 205 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest bikes in the world. Honda CBR1000RR-R SP. Starting off our list is the Honda CBR1000RR-R SP, a super bike that combines racing technology with street-legal performance. The CBR1000RR-R SP is powered by a 999 kT inline-4 engine that produces 214 horsepower and 83 pound-feet of torque. It also features a titanium Akrapovic exhaust, an electronic steering damper, and a 6-axis inertial measurement unit that controls the traction, wheelie, and engine brake systems. The CBR1000RR-R SP can reach a top speed of 186 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest bikes in the world. Aprilia RS V4 Factory. Next up is the Aprilia RS V4 Factory, a bike that has won multiple championships in the World Superbike Series. The RS V4 Factory is equipped with a 1078 kV V4 engine that delivers 217 horsepower and 90 pound-feet of torque. It also has a sophisticated electronic package that includes a quick shifter, launch control, cruise control, and cornering ABS. The RS V4 Factory can hit a top speed of 189 miles per hour, giving it an edge over its rivals. Kawasaki Ninja H2. The third spot on our list goes to the Kawasaki Ninja H2, a bike that is known for its supercharged engine and futuristic design. The Ninja H2 has a 998 kT inline-4 engine that produces 228 horsepower and 101 pound-feet of torque. It also has a trellis frame, an electronic throttle valve, and a Kawasaki supercharger that boosts the intake pressure and power output. The Ninja H2 can reach a top speed of 200 miles per hour, making it one of the few bikes that can break the double-century mark. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. And finally, the number one spot on our list goes to the Kawasaki Ninja H2R, the fastest bike in the world by far. The Ninja H2R is not street legal and can only be ridden on closed circuits. It has a 998 HP inline-4 engine that delivers an astonishing 310 horsepower and 115 pound-feet of torque. It also has a carbon fiber bodywork, an aerodynamic winglet system, and a Kawasaki supercharger that increases the intake pressure and power output. The Ninja H2R can reach a top speed of 249 miles per hour, making it the undisputed king of speed.